Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's fun video, I'm going to be making a mini recipe of chocolate buttercream frosting. We're going to need 2 cups of icing sugar, that's 270 grams. A half a cup of salted butter, 114 grams. A quarter cup of cocoa powder, 25 grams, and I am using Dutch processed cocoa powder in my recipe today. 1/8 of a cup of milk, that's 30 grams. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 5 grams. And our last ingredient, about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, that's about 1 gram. And that is optional since I am using salt in my recipe. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. Into my bowl, I'll put all of my icing sugar. And icing sugar is also known as powdered sugar or confectioner's sugar. To that, I'm going to add in all of my cocoa powder and my salt. And that is optional, but I like to add it in, and I don't find it over salted at all. We just want to mix all of that together. That's our first step. That's good. And just before you add your butter, just cut it into little pieces. Just makes it easier for the mixer. So just break it down a little bit. And it works a lot better if your butter is soft. And then we'll just get all of that in there. Oh, this is going to be good. This recipe is so easy, but it yields a really nice frosting. I'm going to make sure I get everything out. You know, where I live, butter now is around $8 a pound. 454 grams. Yeah. Everything is so expensive these days. And the reason why I mention that is because you can take this recipe and you can use vegetable shortening instead, which will considerably drop the price of this chocolate frosting. And then I'll grab my mixer, get that right in. Just slowly mix all of that in. And I'm going to add in all of my milk right now, just to make this a little bit easier, and also the vanilla. So that's everything in there. And right now I am on the slowest speed, speed number 1. And that's it for the recipe. And look at this. Look at this frosting. It is amazing. Now, there are variations that you can do to this. If you want this a little bit thinner, just add a little bit more milk. If you want it a little bit more thicker, you could add a little bit more icing sugar or cocoa powder. It really depends on what you're actually going to be using the frosting for. Now, I'm going to be using this in another video for a tiny chocolate cake that I made, and I'm only going to be frosting the middle of the cake with it. This is why I made a mini recipe. I just want to show you what this looks like. Look at this. Oh, look at this. So silky and smooth. This is amazing. And if you use your vegetable shortening, you're going to get the same kind of texture. But look at that. That is amazing frosting. Look at that and how fast that was to make. So there we go. So a really fast and easy recipe for today. So that's it for this really fast video. I'm going to be using this in another video, so I'll put a link to the small chocolate cake video down underneath this video in the text box or the description box. I'll also put a link to it at the end of the video, so if you just tap it, it'll go directly to that video, and then you're going to see me using this exact recipe right here, this frosting on that cake. So that's it for this video. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.